New Year's, guys. Less than a minute. Going crazy with fireworks.
How did the Vipassana course change your life?
For me, Vipassana is one of the best experience I ever done.
Never thought I'd be here again.
Do you guys know what Santa brought me for Christmas? Sam, hello.
See you, Sam. See you, buddy.
Thanks for everything.
Okay, bye.
I didn't think it was possible, but I think I found a wild camping spot. I'm just waiting for the sun to go down. It's near the road, but not too many cars around here. I'll show you guys the spot tomorrow morning or maybe later tonight if I have light.
Good morning, everyone. We got about 65 kilometers to go to Pushkar. Let's take a look at the situation.
I'm getting close to Pushkar, about 20 kilometers to go, and my friend Colin messaged me and said we can split the room that he's in, 200 each, so about $2.50 a person, or I can do my couch surfing at one of the other resorts, but I'll be sleeping in a tent, camping on the ground. So I decided, you know, it's New Year's, I can go either way. I love camping. I don't mind sharing the room with Colin. We spent about 3 days together in Dushyant's house, couch surfing. We've already slept in a bed together anyways. So I decided to flip a coin. So we're gonna see what happens. If it's the tiger, I'm gonna stay with Colin. If it's the two, I'm gonna camp. Okay, Colin, if it's the tiger, I'm coming to see you. If it's the two, I'm camping. All right, see you soon, buddy. Look who I found. Sam? Sam, come over here. Come on, buddy, come on. I'm with Andy. He's cycling around the world too, and we all know Colin and our little baby dog Sam. Happy New Year's Eve, everyone. We're walking to the top of a lookout to check out Pushkar, and we're avoiding the monkeys because they're everywhere and they like Sam. How are you?
Kilo.
Oh, how much are they? Yeah.
200 rupees.
Yeah, I can. Just don't want his hands touching.
Yeah, I was gonna say, obtain it now.
That was easy. It's cheaper here. New Year's, guys. Less than a minute. Going crazy with fireworks. Sam, bring it in the New Year. Woof, 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 woof.
Is it New Year's?
Is it 2020? Let's just do it. Let's do it.
I still feel
What's going on?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm in here.
I think we count in India.
Okay, now it's
It's official.
homeless dog from Jaipur. I'm trying to find her a home.
Andy and I came to do bike maintenance, but these guys, they jumped on it. We didn't have a chance. $1 to clean the bike, so there we go. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, hopefully today Colin finds Sam a home in Delhi.
Girl, gotta do pressure if you're gonna fight.